Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Very fresh. You've enjoyed your Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Ready for the Monday?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Why is it so louder?
గట్టిగా
Haven't you done your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Do you remember we had a police? We have elected SPL and vice SPL, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you interested in the elections?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I appreciate all your participation and I congratulate the elected leaders and also I appreciate all the contestants who have participated in a very healthy manner, in a very competitive manner. And now it is the moment where the real game starts with the affirmation. This is the moment which I have been waiting for. Affirmation. Do you know what is the meaning of affirmation? Fourth, affirmation means మామూలుగా ఏమంటారు ఒక మాట ఇస్తే ఆ మాట పైన నిలబడాలి అంటారు కదా యా దట్ ఈస్ ద అఫర్మేషన్ when you promise something you should keep your promise. If you promise a friendship to anyone you should keep that promise of friendship. You should if you promise your studenthood to anyone you should keep that promise being student with your teachers. Understood? That means you have to respect every relation with the promise. And now I invite our SPL and vice SPL to take the affirmation oath in front of you all and promise that they will be in your service, in all the teachers' service for all the time, 24/7. Yes? Okay, let's begin the oath. I, Shivashankar Reddy, I, Harshita, do swear, in the name of God, that I will faithfully, execute the functions of SPL, vice SPL of the school, and will to the best of my ability, to preserve, protect, and defend the regulations of executive and interests of all the students with courage and strive to excellence. I treat every student and every job assigned to me with utmost respect and responsibility without any fear, biasness or aggression. I devote myself to the service and well-being of all students of the school. I remain loyal and humble. I remain. Thank you. So this is the moment and I request all the students to abide with them. Whatever they say, you should obey. Understood? And I urge all the teachers to guide them with their chores and the challenges which they face with utmost responsibility. And I urge every student to obey whatever teachers and SPL or vice SPL will say to you. And all the class coordinators should be in touch with SPL and vice SPL and should update all the things which they ask you to. And I urge all the teachers to hold their hands whenever they require, and at least to watch their steps, to watch their steps, to observe their mistakes and the challenges, and to guide them in a particular way which should be done. And this is my request to all the teachers and all the students to make it happen. Whatever the initiative might be, that will be successful or the failure will be based on its implementation. That implementation with the strong unity. Unity should be there in the students, in the leaders, in the class coordinators, and as well as the staff members. I request all the members of academic and non-academic staff to take care of it. And this is it. And I also tell you one quote. I'll end this speech by telling one quote. I heard that it is way better to have zero knowledge than vague knowledge. Vague knowledge means తెలిసి తెలియనట్టు, చదివి చదవనట్టు, విని విననట్టు, క్లాస్ విని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకుండా ఉండడం, క్లాస్ చెప్పడానికి వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ లేకోకుండా క్లాస్ చెప్పడం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వేగ్ నాలెడ్జ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ది స్కిల్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఎందుకంటే అన్నీ వచ్చు అనే భ్రమలోనే ఉంటాం, బట్ వీ డోంట్ నో ఎనీథింగ్. So zero knowledge will be better than the vague knowledge. So I request everyone to practice. It's not on the paper. All the rules will not be on the paper. It should be in practice to implement it correctly. Because I've observed we have 2 dustbins, but you throw all the papers in the ground. What is the use of it? What is the benefit of it? It is a zero beneficial thing, right? You have to practice neatness, cleanliness. So the implementation will be right. In this speech, by handing over the assembly to which I now officially announce
Well done. Take my 90 stairs. Another grab. And turn. Better and in brighter. Secure legs.